Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to play Freedom Fighters on Android. First, you'll need to understand that playing console games on mobile requires an emulator, which mimics the original console. You'll also need the game's digital file, often called a ROM. Before you start, make sure your Android device has sufficient processing power and memory to run these games smoothly, as performance can vary greatly depending on your phone's specifications. Selecting the right emulator is crucial for a good experience. For PlayStation 2 games like Freedom Fighters, ETHA SX2 is widely considered one of the best options available on Android. You can easily download this application from the Google Play Store. After installation, you'll also need to obtain the PlayStation 2 BIOS files, which are essential for the emulator to function correctly and load games. Once your emulator is set up, the next step is to get the Freedom Fighters game file, known as a ROM. It's important to note that legally, you should own the original physical game disc to download its digital counterpart. You can find these files by searching online for Freedom Fighters PS2 ROM. The game file will usually be in an ISO or CSO format, which you'll save to your Android device's storage. With the emulator and ROM ready, it's time to play. Open ETHA SX2 and use its file browser to locate and load your Freedom Fighters ROM. You might want to tweak some settings, like increasing the internal resolution or adjusting the aspect ratio, to get the best visual experience on your screen. Finally, you can either use the on-screen touch controls, or, for a much better experience, connect a Bluetooth gamepad to your Android device.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.